We're going to collect like terms in the expression y squared minus 3y minus y plus 3/4 y squared. So let's identify the like terms. We have a y squared term here and we have a y squared term here. So I can write this as the coefficient of this term, which is 1, plus the coefficient of this term, which is 3/4 times y squared. And here we have a y term, and here we have a y term. So I can write that as the coefficient of this term, negative 3, plus the coefficient of this term, which is negative 1. So I can write negative 3 minus 1 times y. Now 1 is 4/4. So I have 4/4 plus 3/4 y squared plus negative 3 minus 1 times y. 4/4 plus 3/4 is 7/4. So I have 7/4 y squared. And when I do this computation, negative 3 minus 1, I get negative 4. So I'm going to have negative 4 times y. So the expression with the like terms collected is 7/4 y squared minus 4y.